Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. I hope you all are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found us. I hope you enjoy what you see here, and I hope you stick around for future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. That is exactly what this video is about, is thank you guys for your support in the best way that I knew how to. So you all know that we've been trying to do a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. We finally hit 2,000 subscribers. I think we're already up to like 2,064, which is amazing. You guys are the best. I can't thank you enough. I wish I could give all of you personal thank yous, but this is just the best thing that I can do. And I wanted to do a giveaway with multiple winners. Anybody had a chance to win in, not just the most recent subscribers. This is going to be announcing the winners of the Tesla's Wild 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Also, on an unrelated note, we should be getting really close to the time that I can change my channel name. YouTube is being unresponsive about allowing me to change it early, so I think it's like the 23rd of June is when it will be officially 90 days and we can make the channel actually Tesla's Wild. Anyways, let's get to the giveaway here. So first I wanted to go over the code that I wrote for this. I used Python, used a couple libraries, basically JSON, time, and random. Random is to generate random numbers. So while I'm saying this, you're probably going to see me writing the code. So I just wanted to show you the exact process that I used to write this code. It does use the built-in Python random library. And what I do is I basically generate a random number between 1 and the number of entries, and then use that to index into a list and pick a winner from the list. Then I make sure that that winner has not been picked before by checking the contents of the winner's list, and make sure that there's no identical entries. So I just wanted to show you guys exactly how I am picking the winners here. It is as fair as I could possibly make it. I made a file that basically contains a list of everybody who's in the giveaway. There are 49 of you, by the way, which is just awesome for my very first giveaway. I'm super happy about it. Thank you guys so much. So yeah, it is basically going to pick a number between 1 and 49, and you use that same list to pick whatever number that correlates with. Whatever number is generated, the person on the line that correlates with that will be a winner. As I said, there's going to be 2 winners, and each one is going to get a $50 Amazon gift card. So without much further ado, we are going to generate the winners here. So we will be right back with you. Let's do the giveaway and pick these winners for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway for Tesla's Wild. I can't believe this is reality. It is so darn cool. I never thought the channel would make it this far. I'm just so incredibly grateful. Thank you all. I wish I could make all of you winners. I wish I could personally thank every single one of you, but I can't. But I do want to thank you all. We're going to move over to the giveaway code here. This is what you saw me writing in the first part of the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new terminal. And we are going to go to the directory where this exists, and we're going to run it. All right, are you guys ready? This is so exciting. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right, so there we go. We have our winners. So congratulations to both of our winners, Fresh G Clean 3 and Marlene Vasquez. Thank you guys so much for your support. I will reach out to you guys on Instagram and let you know that you have won. Only onward and upward from here. So I think I am going to do future giveaways. What I'm thinking is maybe 5,000 subscribers and then 10,000 subscribers, but that is really optimistic. I don't know if we'll even make it there. We'll see when we kind of get closer. And then I'm thinking we're going to do something bigger for those. So I don't know. We'll find out when we get closer. But again, I just wanted to let you all know how incredibly grateful I am for all of your support. It truly means the world to me. This channel would not be what it is today without all of your support, and it just absolutely means the world. You guys are the greatest subscribers ever. I love interacting with you, and I love the comments that you guys post, so please don't stop doing those. Let me know, what you'd like to see out of the channel. You all make this channel worth it, just seeing that you guys are enjoying the videos and everything like that. So thank you all so much. I never thought this would be my reality, and I'm so glad that it is. Anyways, congratulations again to Fresh G Clean 3 as well as Marlene Vasquez. I'm so happy for both of you. Again, I wish all of you could win, but I can only pick 2. So I will reach out to both of you. Each of you have won a single $50 Amazon gift card. We'll get that all coordinated and I'll get that over to you. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned and we will see you next video and next giveaway.